Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Sqlmap to the BurpSuite. Okay, for this we need two components. The first one is extender. Okay, let's get to the BurpSuite and go to the extender tab and go to the B App Store and let's check for Sqlmap integration and click on install. I have already installed it, so it's showing reinstall. Okay, once you have installed, you can see in the navigation bar Sqlmap has been added. And the second one is Sqlmap. So we need to download from the Sqlmap website or from the GitHub, and we need to navigate to the directory. So let me navigate to the directory where I have kept Sqlmap. So Sqlmap. Okay, so let me run the Sqlmap API. So first the Python and followed by the Sqlmap API dot py hyphen s hyphen h, and coming to the host, you can give these default ones, or you can also give a default or change the port number to your required ones. In my case, I'm going to keep it as it is. So I'm going to give the host as local one. Okay, and the port number is 9090, and click on enter. Okay, we have successfully started the Sqlmap API. Now we need to click on start API in the BurpSuite. So we have successfully integrated the Sqlmap to BurpSuite. So let's scan the website for vulnerabilities. So let me show you that on vulnerable website. So the first one is the GET request. So let's check manually it is vulnerable for SQL injection or not, and yes, it is vulnerable for error-based SQL injection. So now let's see whether this is going to detect, Sqlmap is going to detect or not. So first let's capture the request in the BurpSuite. Let me intercept is on, and let me reload the page. So, and I have captured the request, get request, and go to the extensions and send it to the SQL scan. Okay, so here please guys don't change anything. If you want to change the HTTP methods, you can also change it. If you kept it as default, so if you pass get request, it take it as get request, and if it is like post method, so it will take it as directly the post method. So you need not to set like get, post and all those things. Okay, so coming to the levels, you can also select the level 5 or level 3, whatever it might be. In my case, I'm going to select only level 1 and the risk as 1. Okay, so I want to extract the current database, and the backend is any, and click on start scan. Okay, now go to the Sqlmap logs and click on get to get all the logs. Okay, now let's check for the post request. Let me go to your profile and click on username and password. Let me capture the request, click on login, and let us scan for the same method for the post method. So go to the extensions and click on Sqlmap scan. Okay, and click on start scan. So you can navigate from here for the request to request. So I have, this is the get request, the first one is, and the second one is the post request, and click on get. So if you see here, the backend is MySQL. Okay, and let's see whether it's showing in the issues tab or not, and yes, it's perfectly showing in the issues tab. Okay guys, thank you so much.